Hello, my name is Ximena Martinez from Materials Design for Face-to-Face Environment. I'm here to talk about Palmira. That is the city where I live. Well, Palmira is a city located in the southern region of the Valle del Cauca, the state of Valle del Cauca. Here is a video about Palmira downtown and the farmer market, and I hope you can have a chance to see it. As I say, we are located in the southern of the Valle del Cauca in Colombia, and Palmira is also known as the Colombia's agricultural capital or the city of the palms. Some people call Palmira the city of the bicycles because we had a lot of bicycles and we had a tradition of um, riding bikes around the city and as a transportation way. Palmira was founded in 1680, and the main economic activities are agricultural, especially as we having really good soil, fertilized soil. We can plant sugar cane, cocoa, corn, and soy. But we also had as an economic activity. We also have livestock industry, trade, and mining. Um, Palmira has undergone a great development over the years, and the city has become a meeting point for a lot of national and international events. We had many like the festivals and theater festivals and the agricultural festival and fair, and also the different kind of international events. We had a variety of natural resources, recreation and recreation spaces, and we also had a lot of a really good gastronomy. Um, our ancestors left a great legacy in our region. That was the Malagana culture. From years ago, we start like learning a lot about the Malagana culture, and it's fascinating, and it's an honor to be part of that culture. Its location and transport routes makes this city a mandatory transit to travel to the rest of the southwest of the country. We have really good roads, and we also have the international airport, Alfonso Bonilla Aragon. That is, well, the is an important port for international tourists and business and many things. Um, Here in Palmira, we had a lot of tourist attractions to visit. Inside of the city, we had the cathedral, that is Nuestra Señora del Palmar, Bolivar Park, the Alfonso Bonilla Aragon, and also in the Alfonso Bonilla Aragon, you can find close to the airport is the Museum of Transport. We had the railway station that has become a museum and an important architectural work of the city. This was currently recognized by the government as a national monument. We also have uh, for tourists and for local people the trip in Victoria, that is a car garage pulled by a horse, but it's also a huge car called La Chiva, and is a really important transportation for the rural areas because that's the way that you can transport to the mountains and to the rural towns and uh, many things. Well, we had the museums, as I say, the Archaeological Museum of Palmira, that is where you can find out everything about Malagana, and also the Transport Museum. Here we had some landscapes and the diversity of animals and um, vegetation. We have Potrerillo, Nirvana, El Bolo, Tienda Nueva. Well, there are many places to go out of the city to have a little bit of nature and enjoy the relaxed activity and sports and adventure. This is Palmira Bay. Um, this is the city where you can enjoy a great variety of food, climates, places of interest, local food, and as such as cholado, chontaduro, sancocho de gallina, borrajados, caspiroletas, shampoo lulabo, stuffed potato, and much more. And also you can find nice people and really, really good things to do here in Palmira. So I hope to see you soon here. And I hope you enjoyed a little virtual tour of my city, Palmira. I love Palmira Bay.